Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install two WhatsApp application on your MOTOROLA Moto G32. So I'm gonna show you the two methods, and now the first one. Open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the WhatsApp business. Install this application, and by this quick way we have two WhatsApp applications on one phone. Very simple. Now the second method. Go to the search bar and look for the dual space app. Choose one of them and launch it. Tap on agree the terms and add the permissions to the files. Now tap on the WhatsApp to start whole process automatically, and now we are creating the next WhatsApp application on this device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.